Hello everyone, this is Amratpal, founder of Amratpal Vision. As I told you, as I promised with you that we will be launching 3 new products with Eurasia Institute. Amratpal Vision will launch 3 products now. So I have each and every detail of all the 3 products. So this is the nursing school of Eurasia Institute. Brand new nursing school for the students of 12th standard who would like to come to Germany to do their nursing program here and can also earn 1100 euros to 1300 euros per month while they are doing their Ausbildung course.
So I wanted to show you once again, these are 3 different stations. You will start earning money from the very first day of your arrival. In the second year, it will be increased to 100 euros. Now you will start earning 1,200 euros per month. And in the third year, 1,300 euro per month. So main ingredient, main requirement is from academic side, you should have completed your higher secondary school and your age is not more than 24 years.
Hello everyone, this is Amratpal, founder of Amratpal Vision. As I told you, as I promised with you that we will be launching 3 new products with Eurasia Institute. Amratpal Vision will launch 3 products now. So I have each and every detail of all the 3 products. Right now we are going to a nursing school of Eurasia Institute. I will show you. We'll introduce 1 product in this school and then we'll introduce 2 new products in the other part of the school. So this is the nursing School of Eurasia Institute, brand new nursing school for the students of 12th standard who would like to come to Germany to do their nursing program here. They can work while study here in Germany and can also earn 1100 euros to 1300 euros per month while they are doing their Ausbildung course. Ausbildung course is a practical and vocational training here in Germany.
So I wanted to show you once again, these are 3 different stations. The first station, which means there are 3 years of vocational training. In the very first year, the candidates or students will be working, for example, with the patients in the clinics. The second year will concentrate more on old age home care patients. And within the third year, they will be taking care of child care like pediatrics, because in these 3 different areas you can decide later on which specialization you would like to go for and which area of healthcare you would like to make your career after completion of your 3 years vocational training program. The detail about the program, the processes and advantages we will be discussing shortly.
So Mr. Imran is here. So I will ask Mr. Imran to explain you. So being a camera, he will explain you that how you can come to Germany and what is Ausbildung here, what is vocational training here in Germany. You might be aware about what Ausbildung is, because right now this Ausbildung is trending in India because everybody wants to come here, because in Ausbildung you will also get the degree and every month you will also get 1100 euros to 1300 euros from the government or from the employer or wherever you are doing that Ausbildung. So there are 6 different Ausbildung vocational training options here in Eurasia Institute, what you can buy from Amratpal Vision. Those are nurses, physiotherapy, radiology, anesthesia, midwifery and medical lab assistant. So sir, in front of you is a camera, but you think that he is your student,
yeah, sure.
He or she is your student, and how he can come to Germany for doing all this courses or from one of those courses.
Yes, of course. Thank you for the introduction about the vocational training program, so-called Ausbildung program in German language. And Amratpal has already explained there are different fields of vocational training programs available with us. And he is the right person to come and get the consulting. So I'm here just to give you the overview or the idea what Ausbildung is and why you should go for it. See, especially during this all era of pandemic, and the students are more interested for practical education, more interested to start earning money as fast as possible. So this is the right way to choose a career pathway program followed towards an Ausbildung or vocational training. We have nursing vocational training very much top trending in Germany because Germany currently also has a deficit of about 25,000 nurses at the moment, or medical staff. On the other hand, they're looking for physiotherapists, or we have radiologists. Also, they're looking for anesthesia, medical lab technology and assistant programs. These are certain fields you can choose from. Minimum requirement is you should have completed your higher secondary school, regardless of whatever subjects you are taken. If you are interested, if you are motivated to work in medical and healthcare field, these are the options to choose from. So this is a 3-year program. In these 3 years, like I have explained before, in the first year you will be working in a different station. In the second year you will be working in a different station. And the last year there will be again a different station, because it will give you idea how to work with the different types of patients. But later on, after completion of this program, you can decide and choose in which area or specialization you want to make your career. So 3-year vocational training program. In the first year, from the employer side, you will be start earning at least 1,100 euros per month. While doing the vocational training, doesn't matter either theory part or the practical part, you will start earning money from the very first day of your arrival. In the second year, it will be increased to 100 euros. Now you will start earning 1,200 euros per month. And in the third year, 1,300 euro per month. But this is not all. During the vocational training program, you are also allowed to work at least 10 hours part-time additional to this whatever you are earning from your employer. So additionally 10 hours in a week you are allowed to work to earn more money if it is required. So main requirement is from academic side, you should have completed your higher secondary school and your age is not more than 24 years. On the other hand, it is important to have, your motivation, internal motivation. Okay, I want to work in this field, because for this you also have to learn German language. But this is not that difficult, because we are the ones also providing the pathway program. It's called Career Pathway, where we'll be teaching you from A1 to B2 level. And we have 30 years of experience of teaching German as a foreign language to the foreign students. Okay, so 3 years of vocational training program. Minimum criteria we have discussed. The fields I will announce once again: nursing, we have physiotherapy, radiology, anesthesia, medical lab assistant. Another one I forgot before is midwifery. So there are 6 different fields available. Anyone according to your interest you want to apply for, you can apply, and the whole process is done through Amratpal. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
So this is the main contact in India. They will be assisting you choosing the program. They will be assisting with all documentations required, as well as the process of going through learning of German language and the final visa application. They are the ones together with us will be assisting you to get the job contract, because one part of the vocational training program is getting a job contract from an employer apart from offer letter from the vocational training school. Okay?
Okay. Sir, okay, so you have explained what is all about vocational training, Ausbildung. We have to start it once again.
Yeah, sure.
You told that 12th is compulsory required, high school is required. So in high school, you have minimum percentage criteria of 60 to 65%. And the best part about this vocational training and Ausbildung is, if you are from arts, commerce, or from science background, then too you can come here and you can start your Ausbildung in this nursing field. So the first thing is, you should get your 12th percentage above 60%. So that's the first requirement, regardless what you have studied in your 12th. The second thing is age bar, 18 to 24 years of age. After 24 years, you cannot apply for Ausbildung. Okay, so then what's the process after student is having 60 to 65% or more than that?
Yes, of course. The first stage is to get evaluation of your documents. If you are eligible, like the criteria has been set already, very simple criteria. Doesn't matter which stream or background of subjects you have taken in your higher secondary school, minimum or average 60 to 65% marks are required. Okay. As soon as you are ready and motivated to start your application, your documents will be sent to us. We'll check the documents, we'll register you, and we'll offer you immediately German language courses. So we have a rolling intake, meaning every 4 to 6 weeks we start a new batch. So it's never too late to start your application. Every 4 to 6 weeks we are starting a new batch of teaching German language. So there are actually 4 levels: A1, A2, basic or beginner's level, B1 and B2, which are intermediate levels. You have to learn before your visa application in your local consulate or the embassy in your country. Okay, so this is the next step. So during the German language learning phase, we'll prepare our students also how to write your CV and motivation letter in German, because initially they have sent all of these documents in English language, and we also prepare them, if required sometimes, with the interview, German embassy interview or the interview with the employer. We'll also assist you to apply and get an appointment at the embassy or the consulate. We'll prepare all of your documents and assist you to go there and submit your documents. Usually it takes on average 4 weeks time after submitting your documents to get the visa. As soon as you have the visa, you will come here and you will start your vocational training program and start earning the money.
Okay.
Yeah.
So once you are done with your high school, age criteria, then you have to do an application. For that you have to contact us, Amratpal Vision. We'll give you set of application forms. You have to fill those forms. You have to read all the terms and conditions regarding what are the fees, what we have to pay. And the best thing about this program is you don't have to open a block account of 10,332 euros. So as soon as you get your 12th standard result, you can contact us. We can send your application here in Germany, and then you will get offer letters from here. The one offer letter would be from the language school, right? And one will be from this nursing school. And as soon as you have your nursing school admission letter, you will be start learning your German language, that is A1, A2, B1, B2 from the ease of your home. So Eurasia Institute will be taking your online lectures for 6 hours every day from Monday to Friday. So you have to learn your German language for 6 hours every day, right from A1 to B2. And as soon as you complete your B1 level, Eurasia Institute will organize one formal interview with your local employer here in Germany, and that is very important. So for that, Eurasia Institute will also help you to prepare for those interviews. Amratpal Vision will also help you to crack those interviews. Okay, sir. So once student got the 65%, we send you the application thing. Application is approved. How much time you will take to give us the offer letter?
First of all, before coming to this question, this one point which we have discussed or explained very quickly, it was blocked account. See, if you are coming to Germany on a study visa, applying for an academic degree program like a foundation year or a bachelor's or master's, of course you need to prove that you have enough funds at least to survive for 1 year. But through this career pathway program of vocational training or Ausbildung, you don't require a blocked account, which means you will be saving this 11,000 euros. Because during the whole process, we also have to arrange your job contract from the employer, which indicates or shows how much money you will be earning from the very first day. It covers your living expense, of course. That's why you don't need blocked account. It is going to take 48 hours to process the application and arrange 2 offer letters. One is for the learning of German language. Second one is the Vocational Training Institute, the theory part. So after submitting the documents, it takes usually at least 24 to 48 hours. Then the journey of learning the German language A1, A2, B1, B2 will start from the ease of your home, where the whole process is about learning of German language. While completing your B1 level, the arrangement of the employer's contract will be taken care by Eurasia Institute, because we are the ones who will be arranging all the documents, including the job contract. And once you have the job contract, then we'll assist you to apply for your visa. It's work visa or vocational training subcategory work visa. It takes 4 to 6 weeks maximum to get the visa process done. Once you have the visa, you will come to Germany and start getting your first paycheck after 30 days of attending the vocational training program.
Great, sir. Great. So, can you explain once they are here in Germany, right? They have landed here in Germany. So, what they have to do on their very first day here in Berlin?
So, actually, we have all the process very streamlined already. So, we help you to get smooth landing in Germany. Our student services department will be taking care of your arrival pickup, which means we'll be picking you up from the airport. We will arrange your accommodation if required. If you wish to book accommodation with us, either there are two options: either booking with a German host family or shared student accommodation. So we will take care of bringing you from the airport to your accommodation. In the very first week, we'll invite you for a welcome seminar where all the bureaucratic stuffs, for example, issuing the health insurance, your police registration, because your address has to be registered by the police, will be done. We'll assist you with getting the visa extension, or so-called applying and getting the residence permit in Germany. And these are the steps involved that they will be getting assistance or help right after coming to Germany.
Okay, great. So guys, I want to sum up this video in a minute or two. So as soon as you complete your 12th, come to us, come to Amratpal Vision, fill up your application form for doing your vocational training of 3 years in Germany. You will get your diploma certificate, the Ausbildung certificate, which is very famous here in Germany. After that, you can work in any hospital, right? After 12th, come to us, we'll fill up your application, we'll send to Eurasia. Within 24 to 48 hours, you will get your offer letter. And as soon as you have your offer letter, start learning your German language for next 6 to 7 months. And within those 6 to 7 months, we will prepare all your visa documentation. And after you complete your B1 level, we'll arrange one interview here in Germany. You will get one employment contract, and with that employment contract, we will apply for your visa. So once you have your visa, you will come to Germany and you will start your 3 years of Ausbildung, which is a vocational training here in Germany. And within those 3 years, every month, so every alternate month, so the first month will be your theoretical training here in Berlin, in this institute where I am sitting. And then for next month, you have to go to a hospital or a child care or elderly care, wherever your employer is situated. You have to go there, take a training for next 1 month, come back to Eurasia again, do your next month of training, go back, have your practical lessons, come back. So every alternate month you have to do this. So I think so this is the best program if you want to do your nursing program, radiology, anesthesia, so all those programs which we have explained you here in Germany. This is one of the best program. If you want to invest in this program and if you want to start earning on the very first day, you can always contact Amratpal Vision, the one-stop solution for all your study and working needs here in Germany. So what you are waiting for? Subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Amratpal Vision. You will get all help and all kind of content related to foreign education in this one channel itself. You don't have to scroll here and there, and believe me, in whole internet and all YouTube channels, any YouTube channel, you will not get a mentor who has traveled all around the world and almost who has traveled 100 campuses of the world. You will never find this type of content in whole internet. So again, subscribe my official YouTube channel, that is Amratpal Vision. See you soon here in Germany. Bye-bye.